how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. So if you want to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp application. After opening your WhatsApp, now you can just simply go with archive chat, and under archive now you'll find your deleted messages right here. To unarchive your chats, you can just simply swipe left or right, or if you're using an Android, then you can go with the unarchive option or the button which is on the top right, and it will be unarchived, and you can go back to your chat and you will find your deleted chats or deleted messages. But if it is not in your archive, then what you can do is just go back and open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, and now you can just simply go with search, and under search you can search for WhatsApp. After searching for WhatsApp, now if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, then you just need to simply go with update, and after updating your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't, then you can just simply tap and hold on to your WhatsApp application for a few seconds, go with the app info. Under app info you can go with storage and cache, and you can delete the cache or delete the storage. After deleting your storage or after uninstalling the application, you can install it, or just open up your WhatsApp after deleting your storage and log into your account, and you will have an option to restore from Google, or if you're using your iPhone, you will have restore from iCloud. You can just simply go with the restore button which will be on the bottom, and you will recover all of your deleted messages on your WhatsApp. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.